Welcome back to our finance-focused YouTube channel. Life is full of ups and downs, and sometimes we encounter unexpected financial challenges that can feel overwhelming. In today's video, we'll provide you with valuable tips and strategies to navigate tough times and emerge stronger on the other side. Whether you're facing a job loss, a medical emergency, or simply trying to make ends meet, we're here to help you weather the storm. Let's dive in. 1. Assessing your financial situation. When faced with a financial challenge, the first step is to take a deep breath and assess your current financial situation. Create a clear picture of your income, expenses, debts, and savings. Knowing where you stand financially will help you make informed decisions and create a plan of action. 2. Creating a budget and cutting expenses. A budget is your lifeline during tough times. Analyze your budget to identify areas where you can cut back on non-essential expenses. Prioritize your needs over wants and focus on essentials like housing, food, and healthcare. Consider temporary changes to your lifestyle, such as cooking at home, carpooling, or canceling subscriptions to free up extra funds. 3. Building an emergency fund. If you don't have an emergency fund, now is the time to start building one. Having a financial cushion can provide peace of mind during challenging periods. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate savings account to cover unexpected costs. 4. Seeking additional income. When facing financial difficulties, finding additional sources of income can be a game changer. Look for part-time work, freelancing opportunities, or gig economy jobs to supplement your main income. Utilize online platforms to showcase your skills and connect with potential clients or employers. 5. Negotiating with creditors. If you're struggling to meet debt obligations, don't hesitate to reach out to your creditors. Explain your situation honestly and ask if they can offer temporary relief, such as a lower interest rate or a payment plan. Many creditors are willing to work with you during difficult times. 6. Utilizing government assistance programs. During financial challenges, explore available government assistance programs that may offer support. These programs can vary based on your location and situation, but may include unemployment benefits, housing assistance, food stamps, or healthcare subsidies. 7. Avoiding predatory loans and scams. Be cautious when seeking financial help and avoid falling victim to predatory loans or scams. Research any financial assistance program or lender thoroughly before committing to any agreements. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. 8. Building a support network. Remember, you don't have to navigate tough times alone. Reach out to family, friends, or support groups for emotional support and advice. Talking about your financial challenges can help relieve stress and open up new perspectives on how to tackle them. 9. Staying positive and focused. While facing financial challenges can be stressful, maintaining a positive mindset is crucial. Focus on what you can control, set achievable goals, and celebrate small victories along the way. Remember that tough times are temporary, and with resilience and determination, you can overcome them. 10. Learning from the experience. Finally, view financial challenges as an opportunity for growth and learning. Assess the lessons you've learned and how you can better prepare for the future. Use this experience to build stronger financial habits and create a more robust financial plan. There you have it. A guide to navigating financial challenges and overcoming tough times. Remember, resilience and adaptability are key when facing obstacles. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future finance-related content. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, take care and stay financially empowered.